Hello students, I am Vaibhav Badkar, biology lecturer, and today's topic is strategies for enhancement in food production. First question, crustacean fishery is connected with exploitation of oysters and crabs, mussels and squids, shell and cuttlefish, lobster and prawn. Correct answer is lobster and prawn because oyster they are not crustaceans, mussels not crustaceans, mollusk, cuttlefish again not crustaceans, whereas lobster and prawn both of them are crustaceans belonging to the phylum Arthropoda. So crustacean fishery is connected with exploitation of lobster and prawn. Which of the following is not a marine fish? Marine fish means seawater fish, which is not a marine fish. Hilsa, Katla, Pomfret, Mackerel. Mackerel, Pomfret and Hilsa, they are marine fishes. Only Katla is river water fish, freshwater fish. Third one. When breeding is between animals of the same breed for 4 to 6 generation, it is called crossbreeding, outbreeding, outcrossing, inbreeding. Answer is inbreeding. A little detail into this. See here. Breeding is cross between two animal, male and female breeding. There are two types in breeding. One is inbreeding and another is outbreeding. Inbreeding is cross between same breed, having common ancestor for 4 to 6 generation. Outbreeding are of 3 types. One is outcrossing, another is crossbreeding, and third one is interspecific hybridization. Actually, outcrossing and inbreeding is one and the same. Outcrossing is also cross between same breed, but no common ancestor for 4 to 6 generation. Crossbreeding is cross between different breed, whereas interspecific hybridization is cross between different related species, like horse and donkey can be crossed to get mule. Question number 4. Apiculture means rearing of honeybee, rearing of silkworm, rearing of lac insect, none of this. Apiculture means rearing of honeybees. Rearing of silkworm is sericulture. Fifth one. Close inbreeding usually results in reduction of fertility and productivity. This is called, we know that the continuous inbreeding leads to reduction of fertility and productivity is called as homozygosity, outbreeding, inbreeding depression and outbreeding depression, and answer is inbreeding depression. Father of white revolution in India. White revolution related to milk. Green revolution is for crops and blue revolution is for fish. Father of white revolution, Vergis Kurian, Dr. M.S. Swaminathan, Alexander Fleming, William Harvey. William Harvey is associated with study of circulatory system. Alexander Fleming, who discovered first antibiotic. Dr. M.S. Swaminathan is father of green revolution in India. So the correct answer is A. Question number 7. Most common honeybee species in India: Apis indica, Apis flaria, Apis mellifera, Apis dorsata, and correct answer is Apis indica. Mollusks are also called as ray fish, golden fish, electric fish, shellfish. Ray fish, golden fish, electric fish, they are the real fishes, they are the true fishes. Mollusk is not fish. Mollusk come under invertebrate. So mollusks are also called shellfish. Generally, mollusks contain a shell on them, so it is called as shellfish. Ninth one. Sonalika and Kalyan Sona are the varieties of wheat, rice, millet, tobacco. It is wheat. Rice is Jaya and Ratna.